First time use. Long press on the wireless button. The light will start blinking. You need to add the Pro controller on your device. After the Bluetooth connections, the controller will stop working and you will need to push the home button for it to start again. The lights will stop blinking and the controller is connected to the PC and is ready to use. To stop the controller, you need a light push on the wireless button. To start, you need to push the home button. After the lights stop blinking, the controller is connected and is ready to use.